हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे कोडोमिनेंस की। As the name referred here, that a codominance means both the allele for a gene express itself independently. Both the alleles of a character express itself. So here we do an example with coat color of cattle. Coat color means skin color. Here we just discussed about skin color. A white color coat cattle crossed with black color coat. A white color coat cattle crossed with a black color coat. Then we write it here, the genotype for this. These are parents as we did. This one gametes. This one F1 generation here, and the color of the calf is roan. Roan means it's a body part. White calf having just this kind of patches on their skin, means somewhere white patches, somewhere black patches. Just this kind of patches means here white color dominant and a black color dominant. Both color are dominant here, so that's why it's a roan color. F2 generation, self cross of F1 generation. Here we just observe there's a WW, WB, WB, BB here. WW for color white, WB for roan color. It is also for roan color as color for black. Here genotype, genes, that is WW ratio, WB ratio, BB. WW here represent 1, WB 2 time and BB single time here. So the genotype is 1:2:1, and we just go through with phenotype here. And we go through with phenotype here, then we observe there's a color white, roan, black with a ratio 1:2:1 here. If we have understood this and observed this, the ratio of genotype and phenotype of codominance is just similar to incomplete dominance here. Another good example of codominance is a blood group. Another good example is blood group in a blood group. There are blood group A and B. We just talk about two type of blood group, not a three type, A, B and O. We not discuss about O here. We just talk about A and B blood group. A blood group, for A blood group, we know very well blood groups are denoted by allele I. Blood group are denoted by allele I. So what we have to do? For blood group A, alleles are IA, and for blood group B, alleles are IB. But for blood group A and B, alleles are IA and IB here. Alleles are IA and IB here. So in this case, it is an example of codominance because both allele I, A and IB are dominant here. So that's why they express their characters independently, and that's why the incoming progeny will be with the blood group A and B here. Now we just talk about multiple alleles. Multiple alleles. In multiple alleles, what is the meaning of multiple alleles? Means more than one alleles represent same characters. Means more than one alleles here represent same character are in multiple alleles. We just taken an example of blood group ABO. We now just discussed here with blood group ABO here. We know blood group A, B and O, the allele which represent the blood group is I. For blood group A, IA, blood group B, IB as we discussed, blood group O, IO. Before blood group O, we just talk about blood group A and B. IA and IB, blood group O, IO. Where blood group O is recessive and blood group A and B are dominant. So what will happen here? If we are just talk about blood group, there is no explanation with this definition. Wait it. Blood group, we are assuming father having blood group A, means they having a kind of allele IA, and a mother having blood group O, IO. In this case, IAIO here. Blood group IAIO represent blood group A A means 100% progeny blood group is A. So that's why we just consider as ki IAIO means blood group A, means this kind of alleles also represent the same character here. Now we just assume the incoming parents having blood group B and one of them having blood group O, means father or now we just consider mother having blood group B and a father having blood group B and father having blood group O. So here IB, IO, IBIO, 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 IBIO here represent blood group B. So we can also write here IBIO for the blood group B. Here we just noted down that whenever the blood group IAIO or IAIA, it express characteristic of blood group A, and IBIO and IBIB, that's the characteristic of blood group B. In both of these conditions, we just realize that more than one kind of alleles represent the same kind of character here. Now do a question with it. That's the question is, here we just noted one thing a lot, IAIO. We just note it here. That is homozygous. Obviously we know that the homozygous because both alleles are similar, and there it is heterozygous. That is homo. That is hetero. Now the question is that if father having blood group A, that is homozygous, and mother having blood group B, there is a variation heterozygous, or we can write it here IBIO. What will be the blood group of progeny? What will be the blood group of progeny here? So we just write it here as a male father having blood group A means IAIA, and a mother having blood group B, but it is in a heterozygous condition, that is IBIO. Then the progeny blood group here IAIA, IBIO. What will be the progeny blood group here? They are IA, IB, IAIB, IAIO, IAIO. Means here we observe that is blood group AB, that is also a blood group AB, that is a blood group A, that is blood group A. For phenotype, that is blood group either A or AB. the incoming progeny having blood group A or AB, either one of them, and genotype we know very well, IA, IB for blood group AB and IA, IO in a heterozygous condition for blood group A here. Now we just change the statement. The statement is now father having blood group O and a mother having blood group AB. Now what will the blood group of the incoming progeny? Now we just take it father and a mother. Father having IO for blood group O and a mother having IAIB. IAIO, IBIO. So 50% is a blood group A and 50% of blood group B. Means the incoming progeny having both of the cases have blood group A and B, either one of them. Now the next question is, if father having blood group A given है IAIO means heterozygous condition and mother having blood group B IBIO, it is also a heterozygous condition, then what will happen here? We just make a Punnett square again. IAIO for blood group A for a male and IBIO for the blood group of female. Here both are in heterozygous condition, we know very well. IAIB, IAIB. Here IB for that case and IO for uppercase, that is IAIO, IOIO. Here we write IB firstly, here write IA firstly, because we know very well in these conditions the dominant case is in the A and B and O is always recessive. So we write here O just after the dominant character. Now just analyze the blood group here. IB, that is IAIB, blood group AB. IBIO, blood group B. IAIO, blood group A. IO, blood group O. Means progeny having chance 25% blood group AB, 25% blood group A, 25% blood group B and 25% blood group O. The progeny having one of them. Means progeny having the chance to one of them blood group, means all of the possibilities here. We just twist this question. Now father having blood group A, just remember there, father having blood group A, we don't know about the genotype here. Mother having blood group O, we just realized mother having blood group O, and child, a boy having blood group O again. Then what will be the phenotype of thrice? Sorry, what will be the genotype of thrice? We just concluded here in a condition of A, that is either IAIA or IAIO. In condition of mother O, we know IOIO, only IOIO. There is no chance to another. Firstly, we do a cross with IAIA. With IOIO, we take O as a father, mother. Sorry. O as a mother and A as a father here. Then I A I O I A I O I A I O I A I O I A I O I A I O means that is the blood group A, blood group A, blood group A, blood group A. 100% chance of blood group A. Father haven't such kind of genotype. Means the exceptional one, we just do it with the help of again a Punnett square. IAIO IOIO for mother blood group. IAIO chance of blood group A. IOIO there is a chance of blood group O, means we have a probability for that. IAIO again a chance of blood group A. IOIO again a chance of blood group O, means 50% chance of blood group A and 50% chance of blood group O here. So that's why the incoming progeny having the blood group genotype blood of the child here, that is the IOIO, we know very well. Mother IOIO again, and of father that is IAIO, because in this condition of IAIA allelic concentration, the father having only A type of blood group produced, not to be a O type. So that's why the progeny will be of A. So but there is a chance of blood group O. That's why the genotype of father's blood group is IAIO. Another question. Father having blood group A and father having blood group AB and a child having blood group B. We don't know mother's blood group and their allelic concentration. We don't know. Mother either having blood group A, mother either having blood group B, mother either having blood group O, mother either having blood group AB. We don't know about the concentration, but we know the resultant of crossing father and mother, the child having blood group B. So just analyze it. If mother having blood group A, then IAIA means there is no O or no B here. So that's why mother all having blood group AB with a father and blood group A. There is a possibility of blood group A and B here. Blood group A and AB here. Second probability IAIO. In this, there is a probability of blood group A and B here. Means there is a chance. Again, for blood group B, IB, it should be the maximum probability to form blood group B, means AB either or B, or having IB, IO, 100% blood group, not to be 100%, maximum blood group, that is AB and O, AB and B here. In this case, the blood group may be a or a B, and in this case, blood group either A or a B, means it's a discarded. Chances of mother blood group, either mother blood group A, it should be A with allelic concentration IAIO, it should be B with IBIB, or IBIO, it should be O with IOIO. In these thrice, mother having one of them a blood group here.